If one of your car's lights isn't working, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot. Check the bulb. Sometimes the bulb has simply burnt out. If it's a headlight, taillight, or turn signal, you might be able to inspect it visually. Look for broken filaments or a blackened interior of the bulb. 2. Inspect the fuses. Look in the vehicle's fuse box for a fuse related to the light that isn't working. Your car's manual will tell you which fuse to check. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one of the same amperage. 3. Check the wiring. Look around the light for loose connections or damaged wiring. Rodents sometimes chew through wires, and connections can get loose over time. 4. Inspect the light socket. Check for any corrosion in the socket, which can prevent the bulb from connecting properly. Use a contact cleaner if needed. 5. Replace the relay. Some lights, especially headlights, have a relay. If the relay is faulty, it could be stopping the light from working. Number 6, consider a bad switch. If multiple lights aren't working, such as both headlights or both taillights, the switch that controls them could be the problem. If you're unsure, or if you've checked these things and the light still isn't working, a mechanic will be able to diagnose and fix it for you.